Hi students, continuation, that is oxidation of alcohols. That is next oxidizer is, that is very most important oxidizer is, that is MnO2. MnO2. It is also act as a moderative oxidizer, moderate oxidizer. This MnO2 can oxidize, you remember student, manganese dioxide. Oxidation of alcohols, that is next reagent is MnO2. It is a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize, that is benzylic alcohol. It can oxidize benzylic alcohols and allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohol. It is very most important. MnO2, manganese dioxide, can oxidize benzylic alcohol. Second one is allylic alcohols. These MnO2 can oxidize only benzylic alcohols and allylic alcohols. These benzylic alcohols, that is primary benzylic primary alcohols, benzylic secondary alcohol, benzylic tertiary alcohols. This MnO2 can oxidize only primary alcohols and secondary alcohols, but cannot oxidize tertiary alcohols. It is, remember student, this MnO2 can oxidize, that is benzylic alcohol, that is only primary alcohols. This MnO2 can oxidize only primary, it can oxidize primary alcohols. It can oxidize primary alcohols. Primary alcohols on oxidation to give aldehydes. And second one, this MnO2 can oxidize benzylic secondary alcohols. Benzylic secondary alcohols to give ketones. But tertiary alcohols are cannot oxidize. That means no effect. It is very most important. Benzylic alcohols. These benzylic alcohols, MnO2 can oxidize benzylic alcohols and allylic alcohols. So what is benzylic alcohol? First of all, so what is benzylic alcohol and allylic alcohol? You remember these benzylic primary alcohols oxidation with MnO2 to give aldehydes. When benzylic secondary alcohols on oxidation with MnO2 to give ketones. When benzylic tertiary alcohols oxidation with MnO2, what happens? There is no effect. This is the very most important thing. So example for benzylic alcohol. Example for benzylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol example, that is benzene. Benzene with CH2H. This is called benzylic alcohol. This is called benzylic alcohol. For allylic alcohols, and another one is allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol. Allylic alcohol example. Allylic alcohol example. What is allylic compound? The CH2 double bond CH single bond CH2OH. This is called allylic alcohol. Allyl means what, student? Compound should contain at least 3 carbons. This is double bonded carbon, double bonded, then single bond, then CH2H. Double bond, then next carbon having this double bonded next carbon having alcohol group is there. That's why it is called alcoholic. That is benzylic alcohol. CH2 double bond, then CH, then CH2 is called benzyl group. Here hydroxy group is there, so that's why it is called benzylic alcohol. Double bonded, then next carbon having OH group is there, so that's why it is called benzylic alcohol. This primary alcohol, these both are primary alcohols. Why? Because this hydroxy group attached with the primary carbon, so this is called primary alcohol. This is benzylic primary alcohol, and this is the second allylic alcohol. Simple section. Benzylic alcohol example, this is the benzylic alcohol example. Allylic example, this is the allylic example. Allylic alcohols, this is benzylic alcohol. Both are primary alcohols. Why? Because this hydroxy group attached with primary carbon. This hydroxy group attached with primary carbon. So what I said, primary alcohols, benzylic primary alcohols. I am taking example benzylic primary alcohols. Oxidation with manganese dioxide MnO2. What happens to that is aldehyde will be formed. Aldehyde will be formed, CHO. Aldehyde will be formed. Now take the second example. This is primary alcohol. This is primary benzyl alcohol. If you take the secondary benzyl alcohol, what happens? If you take the secondary benzylic alcohol, that means CHOH, then CH3. This is secondary benzylic alcohol. This secondary benzylic alcohol oxidation with MnO2. MnO2, what happens? That is ketone will be formed. Secondary alcohols, always remember, secondary alcohols oxidation with MnO2 to give ketone will be formed, that is C double bond O, then CH3. Primary alcohol oxidation with MnO2 that form aldehyde. Secondary alcohol, that is benzylic secondary alcohols oxidation with MnO2, what happens? That is ketone will be formed. If you take the benzylic tertiary alcohol, what happens? That is benzylic tertiary alcohols, CH3. This is CH3 students. Benzylic tertiary alcohol oxidation with MnO2. What happens? That is no effect. This is no effect. This is a simple texture. This primary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol, tertiary alcohol. When tertiary alcohol oxidation with MnO2, what happens? There is no effect. This is the very most important thing. MnO2 act as a moderate oxidizer. MnO2 act as a moderate oxidizer. Moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize, that is primary alcohol and secondary alcohol, that is only for benzylic alcohols and allylic alcohols. This is both alcohols oxidation to give aldehydes and ketones. So what about that is allylic alcohols? Now take the allylic alcohol example. Allylic alcohols example, that is I am writing here. So now take the allylic alcohol example. Allylic alcohols. Allylic alcohol example, that is primary alcohol, that is CH2 double bond CH, then CH2. This is primary alcohol. This allylic primary alcohol oxidation with MnO2. What happens to that is primary alcohol oxidation to give, what happens to that is aldehyde will be formed. Aldehyde will be formed, that is CH2 double bond, then CH. One second. CH2 double bond, then CH, then CHO. This is the production. So allylic oxidation with MnO2 to give aldehyde is formed. So this primary alcohol and oxidation to give aldehyde. If you take the secondary allylic alcohols, what happens to that is secondary allylic alcohol example, CH2 double bond, then CH, then CHOH, then CH3. This is secondary allylic alcohols. This is secondary alcohols. Secondary alcohols and oxidation with MnO2. What happens to that is ketone will be formed. CH2 double bond CH, then CO, then CH3 will be formed. This is the final production. MnO2, manganese dioxide, is a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize only, that is benzylic alcohol and allylic alcohols. Benzylic alcohols and oxidation to give aldehydes and ketones, and allylic alcohols also oxidation to give aldehydes and ketones. This is the simple texture. I will use some examples for one more example, for some more examples for allylic alcohols and benzylic alcohols. If you take the example, that is this compound having one OH is there here. Here also one OH is there, alcohol. So what happens, that is MnO2. What is the role of MnO2, student? This oxidizes only for benzylic or allylic. This cyclohexene compound, student, this is allylic compound. Student, what is allylic compound, student? Double bonded next carbon is called allylic carbon. This double bonded next carbon is called allylic carbon. This double bonded next carbon, allylic carbon, having hydroxy group is there. So this secondary alcohol is always oxidized with MnO2 to give, what happens to that is ketone will be formed. This ketone will be formed. This is secondary alcohols. This double bond and next carbon is called allylic carbon. This allylic carbon oxidation with MnO2 to form aldehydes and ketones. But this is secondary alcohol, so that's why it is giving ketones. What about this carbon strand? What about this OH group strand? This double bonded, then single double bonded next carbon is allylic carbon. Then after that, this is not allylic carbon strand. we should take the always, you remember, double bond, and we should take the double bond and next carbon only, that is allylic carbon. But this is not allylic carbon. Why? Because of double bond, then single bond, then again single bond. This is not allylic carbon. So that's why it is this OH group cannot oxidize, but only this OH group only oxidize. This is the final production. Simple friction, double bonded next carbon is called allylic carbon. Now take the one more example, student. CH2 OH here also. Then what about this carbon, student? OH, sorry, this is OH oxidized with MnO2. What happens when it is oxidized with MnO2? This allylic carbon, this allylic carbon beside carbon is called, this double bonded carbon, this double bonded carbon beside carbon is called allylic carbon. This allylic carbon having secondary alcohol, the secondary alcohols on oxidation to give ketones, this downwards to give ketones. But what about this top carbon? This Li double bond and next carbon is called allylic carbon, but this carbon having CH2 is there, double bond, then single bond, again then single bond. This is not allylic carbon. This is not allylic carbon. This allylic carbon attached with only CH2 group, so that's why this cannot oxidize. This CH2OH, this top position cannot oxidize. Only downward also. Why? Because of this double bond and next carbon is called allylic carbon. This allylic carbon having hydroxy group is there. That is called secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohols on oxidation to give ketones. Now take the one more example, student. This is double bonded, student. This is OH. This is also OH. This is OH and this is OH. What is the production? Oxidation with MnO2. Oxidation with MnO2. This is allylic carbon, so this is double bonded. This double bonded next carbon is called allylic carbon. This allylic carbon having, this is secondary alcohol, students. This double bond next carbon here also C is there, so this double bond next carbon, there is no OH group. Then after that this carbon is, this is not oxidized. Why? Because of we consider only double bond next carbon only. This double bond next carbon having OH group is there, student. One methyl group is there also, student. But this is a tertiary alcohol. You remember, student, this double bond next carbon having OH group is there, so it can easily oxidize, but it is secondary carbon. But this is also double bond next carbon, also one carbon is there, but here this compound having one CH3 is there, one OH is there. But this double bond next carbon is tertiary carbon. Tertiary carbons cannot oxidize it with MnO2. You remember, student. Next one, what about this double bond next carbon, secondary carbon? So it is also oxidized. It is also easily oxidized. It is also easily oxidized, but this is not oxidized and this is not oxidized. Why? Because of this double bond next carbon, allylic carbon, but it contains OH group is there, but this is tertiary alcohol. This carbon is tertiary carbon, so tertiary carbons are cannot oxidize. So what is the final production? This secondary alcohol is converted into ketones, and this cannot oxidize it. And this double bonded, this is the double bonded, so double bonded next carbon is secondary alcohol is, secondary alcohol is converted into ketones. And what about this carbon? So this double bonded carbon also tertiary carbon is there. Tertiary carbon, this tertiary carbon having hydroxy group, so that's why it's called tertiary alcohol. This tertiary alcohols are cannot oxidate. So this is the final production. So this MnO2 act as a moderate oxidizer. It can oxidize only benzylic alcohols and allylic alcohols. So this benzylic alcohols is converted into aldehydes and ketones. Primary alcohols on oxidation to give aldehydes, secondary alcohols on oxidation to give ketones. Tertiary alcohols cannot oxidize with MnO2. This is a simple trick. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please click on like. Thank you.